Happy Tuesday. The week is going by fast. It's 7:30. I'm just now breaking my fast. 3 eggs with a slice of Munster cheese and 2 slices of bacon. I had 2 of these earlier. I did 2 workouts. One was a 20-minute workout, and then I went to the track when my son went to football practice, and I walked around the track for about 25 minutes. So I drank 2 of those electrolytes because your girl be sweating. So yeah, I'll be back with dinner. Peace. Hey. I'm back with Tuesday night's dinner. So I have here, this was a one huge thick piece of salmon. It was like 17.5 ounces. So I split it in half, and it's 9 ounces, something like that. Then I have 4 ounces of green beans and 4 ounces of Brussels sprouts. I got my olives, and then I got this yogurt that I'm gonna try right here. I'll let you know if it's good. I got my collagen. It's unflavored, so I'm gonna mix that in so I can get my collagen in for the day. And let me see what these macros end out to. Okay, so I got my macros in for everything that I've eaten today. So here, my lunch, which consists of 3 eggs, 2 slices of bacon. My supplements are also counted into this. So my what you call those things, omega pills and apple cider vinegar pills is also calculated into this. Actually, I just took another one, so I got to add that in for my apple cider vinegar. But those are calculated into this too, as well as my collagen powder. So total today is $12.77. My lunch, $5.58, which consisted of my apple cider vinegar, my omega, 7 of those omega pills, 3 eggs, 2 pieces of bacon, and a tablespoon of butter to cook it in. Then dinner was $7.19, which is everything you see on my plate: my collagen, the olives, the yogurt. The yogurt is the whole container. I just scanned the code. My total carbs is 31 grams, fiber 11. If you want to go with net, it's 20 net carbs. Protein was 108 grams and fat was 82 grams. So this was my macros for what I ate today. So here we are. I'll let y'all know how this yogurt tastes. The other one was okay once it settled with the collagen powder. I don't know if that made it taste better, but it was okay. So this is dinner. We'll be back at this again tomorrow. So y'all stay safe out there. And until next time, peace. Hello, happy hump day. Today is Wednesday, so I went to Safeway to pick up a few things that I needed. So I got some salad. I like the gems, little gems better, but they don't sell this at Safeway. They only sell it at Sprouts. I got some bananas, you see, organic. I got 1 red pepper, organic, because I got a little bit more of my stuffing for the pepper, so I'm gonna eat that tonight in a salad. I got some organic blueberries. And then I got this coconut sugar because I'm trying to find another sugar other than monk fruit that gives me more of a sugar, one-to-one sugar taste and tastes like sugar. And I was watching this guy who is on YouTube. I can't remember his name, but he does grocery shopping hauls to try to let you know what's good for paleo and keto and what to look out for, you know, and good buys. So I binge watched a couple of his stuff. he calls cane sugar the devil. And he said coconut sugar is a great substitute. So I guess if you're paleo, or if you know, keto and you're not strict keto, coconut sugar. And as you can see, where's that? Only ingredient, organic coconut palm sugar. We do eat coconuts. We drink coconut cream. So what's the difference, you know, with the sugar? But, you know, a serving is 1 teaspoon. It's only 4 carbs, so it is low in carbs. And total sugars is 4. So can't wait to see, you know, how this tastes. And it was on sale. I'm not sure if that Safeway is carrying it anymore because they only had 2 left. I think it was $5.98, $5.99, something like that. It was $5.27. So this is my little shopping haul, and I do like these spring waters. You know, Core and the other one, I can't remember, is like a 9.5 pH, but naturally alkaline spring water. This one is pretty good. So I drunk 2 bottles of this already since, I think I went and got this Monday. Yeah, Monday. And they on sale 2 for $5 for the 1.5 liter. So I got 2 of them. And so that is it. Until later, my small little grocery pickup from Safeway. Hey, I'm back. So I'm breaking my fast. It is 7:41. I got my Pure Farm, Omega Pure Farm capsules. I took my ACV capsule already about 40 minutes ago. And right here, between the both of these are 3 eggs with some diced up peppers, 1 slice of bacon, diced up, 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream, and some pepper, and a half a slice of Munster cheese split between the 2 of them. And then right here I have my smoothie, my almond protein smoothie by Noosh, and it has my collagen in it and 4 ounces of banana and some ice and water. That's all I mixed in this right here. So this is what I'm breaking my fast with, and I probably eat about 11:30 dinner, and then I'll be done for the night. So I will be back.